Hi, my name is Linda Trevino. I'm a Distinguished Professor of Organizational Behavior and Ethics in the Smeal College, and I teach the Ethical Leadership course in the MBA program. I have a PhD in management from Texas A&M University, and I have been here at Penn State since I received that. This was my first and only academic job. And I've been studying ethical decision-making in organizations. That's my specialty area ever since then. The ethical leadership class, which has been a 1-credit class but is moving to a 2-credit class, really focuses on just that. It focuses on developing ethical leadership, and that means trying to get students to look at themselves and reflect on themselves as ethical decision makers, people who are going to serve in high-level positions in organizations and handle the really ambiguous, tough ethical issues that come with those higher-level positions. So the first emphasis is on the individual as a reflective decision maker and one who's going to have to make tough judgments. The second emphasis, and the reason why leadership is really in the title of the course, is that we try to get students to look at their responsibility as a leader, as someone who is going to set a tone for either their subunit within the organization or eventually perhaps for an entire organization, and to lead others on this particular dimension of organizational life. Well, I'm a very active researcher, and I'm working on a number of research projects right now. One of the big projects I've been working on with a couple of colleagues here is a review, statistically based review of all of the ethical decision-making research that's been done to try to get a sense of what we really know and don't know about the state of ethical decision-making and what drives it. There have been now about 20 years of research, some of which I've done myself. And there's a technique called meta-analysis that you may have read about. It's used a lot in medicine, where whenever people publish one study, they say, well, we need more research. You've read that over and over again. And so when there's enough of a body of research that's been done that's looked at certain relationships, then you can take a look at that with some tools that are available. So that's one project, and it's actually been very interesting to try to look across studies and see what really does matter.